This is the Flintstones construction set made by Lego. They suggested that it is for ages 10 and up. It only has 748 pieces. So it's just me and my wife who build Lego sets. So this is a fairly simple set to assemble. Now it comes with 4 different characters. There's Fred Flintstone, Barney, and their wives. So it is a very nice set, especially if you are going for movie themed sets. Now it is fairly expensive for a building set, but that happens when it's like movie themed sets, and that is kind of expected. I don't think that it is a collector's item yet, but I suggest that if you are building Lego sets, that you keep the box, as later on the box sometimes you can sell. But overall, the affordability, not so much. The easiness of building it, it's fairly easy. And if you are a collector, this is a must.